Every day begins here, where precision environment control ensures the perfect start for a staple of the global diet. Gentle automation is key. The eggs must be moved immediately to maintain freshness and prevent breakage. Thousands of eggs per hour are funneled into a single stream, heading toward the primary sorting facility. Vertical transport systems maximize space, moving the harvest from the housing units to the processing core. Speed is of the essence, as the eggs must be cooled and processed within hours of being laid. Strict temperature protocols begin the moment the eggs enter the facility, ensuring food safety for every consumer. Now perfectly aligned, the eggs begin their journey through the most rigorous sanitization process in the food industry. Sanitization is a delicate science, using precise temperature differentials to keep the interior of the eggs sterile. Moisture must be completely removed to ensure the shells are ready for the high-speed laser grading that follows. In the candling phase, light reveals what the naked eye cannot: internal defects or microscopic cracks in the shell. Acoustic resonance technology allows the system to hear a crack, ensuring only the strongest shells move forward. Weight determines the grade, and every gram is tracked by the central processor to maintain consistent packaging standards. Direct-to-shell coding provides a digital fingerprint for every egg, ensuring total traceability from farm to table. Ultraviolet light provides a final layer of biological security, meeting the highest global food safety standards. Consistency is the priority as thousands of eggs are pooled, awaiting the precision of the high-speed packing heads. Sorted, cleaned, and verified, the eggs are now ready for the core stage of high-speed industrial packaging. Vacuum technology allows for the rapid movement of fragile cargo without a single point of structural failure. Precision timing ensures that every carton is perfectly positioned for the incoming payload. In a fraction of a second, the transition from bulk harvest to consumer-ready unit is complete. Security is paramount. The locking mechanism ensures the eggs remain protected throughout the global supply chain. Information is the new currency of food safety, providing the consumer with the exact origin of their purchase. Nothing is left to chance. Automated weight verification acts as a final fail-safe for quality assurance. With the individual units secured, the process shifts toward the heavy-duty logistics of industrial-scale distribution. Beyond the shell, the industrial demand for liquid egg products requires a transition into high-velocity extraction. In this high-speed centrifuge, gravity and motion work together to separate the valuable liquid from the calcium shell. Purity is non-negotiable. Triple-stage filtration ensures a silky, shell-free consistency for industrial food service. Rapid cooling locks in the protein structure, preventing spoilage before the pasteurization process begins. Precision optics allow for the perfect isolation of yolks and whites, catering to the specific needs of bakeries and health-conscious markets. Homogenization ensures that every drop of liquid egg has the exact same texture and cooking properties. Heat treatment is a delicate balance, high enough to ensure safety, but gentle enough to preserve the egg's natural culinary functionality. Transformation complete, the liquid gold is ready to be handled by the most advanced robotic systems in the facility. Heat treatment is a delicate balance, high enough to ensure safety, but gentle enough to preserve the egg's natural culinary functionality. In the liquid division, robotics maintain a sterile chain, eliminating human contact to ensure peak shelf life. Speed and structural integrity are automated. These cases are designed to withstand the weight of thousands of pounds in transit. Every move is calculated to prevent punctures, securing the liquid cargo for the next stage of the journey. Precision at speed, Delta robots can process hundreds of units per minute, ensuring the line never stops for minor corrections. The entire facility is a single, synchronized organism managed by a digital brain that optimizes every watt of energy. Human lifting is a thing of the past. High-capacity robots now handle the heavy strain of bulk organization. Stability is key for transport. The orbital wrap creates a single, rigid unit capable of cross-continental travel. Without a single human driver, the finished product begins its final march toward the finishing lines and quality verification. Precision is maintained to the very end. Even a slight tilt in a pallet can compromise the safety of the fragile contents. Digital integration turns every pallet into a smart unit, visible to the global logistics network in real time. Final destination data is permanently attached, ensuring that whether these eggs are bound for a local market or a cross-border port, they never lose their way. Maintaining the cold chain is critical. Any fluctuation in temperature at this stage could compromise the egg's shelf life. Space-optimized robotic racking allows for the storage of millions of eggs in a perfectly controlled, light-free environment. For liquid products, the absence of oxygen is the final guarantee of freshness and safety. Reinforced packaging ensures that even the heaviest liquid loads remain secure during the rigors of industrial shipping. With the finishing lines complete, the product must now pass the most grueling test of all, the final quality audit. True quality assurance begins with random, unbiased selection from the final production stream. The HA unit is the gold standard of egg quality, measuring the protein's structural integrity. Visual consistency ensures that every yolk meets the specific culinary expectations of the consumer. Microbiological testing confirms that the pasteurization process has achieved a 100% kill rate of harmful pathogens. Measuring shell durability ensures the product can survive the mechanical stresses of the global supply chain. The final test is functional. The product must perform perfectly in the kitchen of a home cook or a professional chef. With the laboratory's seal of approval, the batch is officially cleared for global distribution. COA looks good, we're ready to ship. Agreed, distribution is a go. Verified, validated, and cleared. The journey from the farm is nearly at its end. Dock 1 clear, first truck, back in.
Copy that, backing in.
Easy now, watch the bumpers. An airtight seal is mandatory to prevent even a 1-degree rise in temperature during the loading process. Efficiency is measured in seconds. Automated loading ensures the trailer's cooling system is off for the shortest time possible. Accountability is digital. The journey's data will be the first thing the customer checks upon arrival. Once sealed, the cargo is legally secured, protected from both tampering and environmental exposure. From this central hub, millions of eggs are dispatched daily to kitchens, bakeries, and homes across the continent. And this is how modern factories produce eggs for frying, boiling, and omelets from start to finish. A marvel of modern engineering, ensuring that the world's most versatile protein is always within reach.